This might very well be my first and only YouTube video for this channel. I tend not to use the YouTube platform very much because, well, for one thing, every video I try to upload, YouTube says it's too big. So I just go to another platform usually and use that one instead. But this one has a... Thanks. Yeah, please. This one has a wider reaching, bigger viewing audience. You know what I'm trying to say. So the problem here is I'm using Adventure Game Studio. I'm trying anyway. And I use previous versions of this. And I upgraded to the newest version because I was having this same problem and I can't figure out why it's like that. It's a simple problem. I'm sure of it. I'm sure I've overlooked it. It's probably gone right over my head, although most things do because I'm 5 feet tall. It doesn't matter which template I pick, I always run into the same problem. But for this, I'll just pick the Sierra template. New games, call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't give a fuck. This is just for demonstrational purposes. So the problem is the native resolution here is 320 by 240. That's VGA resolution. Let me see if I can find it here. It's got to be in one of these stupid fucking menus. I'm frustrated with this fucking thing. I've been trying to do this for days. And the problem is that I can make these backgrounds and they're at higher resolution. They're at 640 by 480, but every time I try to every time I try to put one in, it's stretched out and you can't see the bottom of the scene, and I'm very, very frustrated with this. Other than that, I think I'd enjoy this engine. I do enjoy this engine. But if it wasn't for this one thing, if I could actually find where the resolution fucking drop down box is. Goddamn. So okay, there's my color depth. Resolution. Alright. See here, it's stuck at 320 by 200. So that's not even 320 by 240. And I can't change it. I don't know why, but I can't change the fucking thing. So every time I try to, every time I try to put in one of my backgrounds, it's stretched out. The characters, walks halfway up the screen. You can't see the whole thing. I'm really frustrated. What am I doing wrong here? You know what I mean? I've tried to look up YouTube videos. I went to forums. I even went to the AGS Discord. And I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. I'm sure it's simple. I'm just too stupid to figure it out. Any advice would be helpful. I don't know if it's a version of DirectX that I've got in here or what. But this is the latest version of AGS. And anybody can help me out. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much.